Hello students, you might have studied about the defects of human eye, that is myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia. And we all know that these defects can be corrected by using lens of suitable power. For example, in myopia, the far point comes near than infinity and it can be corrected by using concave lens of suitable power. But if you think that using concave lens sends the far point back to infinity, then this video is for you. In fact, wearing a lens leads to no change in the far point of the myopic eye. What lens actually does is it bluffs our eyes, and let us understand how it does it. Now here I have a pictorial description of a myopic eye. Here this is the far point and this object can be considered as a distant object. Now let us try to correct this defect using the concave lens. When I correct the defect, you can see that at the lens, the rays appear to diverge slightly. And when I draw back this projection, what happens you see? What actually is happening here is that this eye perceives that the object is at the far point of the myopic eye and not at its original position. In other words, what myopic eyes see is the image of the object formed at the far point of the myopic eye. In case of hypermetropia, things are slightly different, but the underlying principle is still the same. We bluff our eyes again. In hypermetropia, we know that the near point recedes away from the 25 centimeter mark and it can be corrected using the convex lens of suitable power. Now here I have a description of a hypermetropic eye, and this point is the near point of the hypermetropic eye, and here I have an object which is placed closer than the near point. Now when I place a convex lens, then we can see clearly that at the lens the rays actually appear to converge, which are coming from the object. Now when I project these rays backwards, then let us see what happens. As you can clearly see that the eyes perceive that the object is not at this position, rather it perceives that it is at the near point of the hypermetropic eye. In other words, a hypermetropic eye sees the image of the object that is being formed at the near point of the eye. Hence, the doctors say that it should take some time for our eyes to adjust when we are wearing specs or lens for the very first time, because now we start to see objects relatively closer in case of myopia and relatively farther in case of hypermetropia. If you enjoyed this video, then please do like, comment and subscribe to our channel MidhaGURU.